Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone keyboard won't show up. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My keyboard keeps disappearing multiple times a day. This problem exists with both Gboard and SwiftKey keyboards. Specifically, when I open an app and select an input field to type, the keyboard completely fails to appear, and it doesn't reappear no matter which app I open afterward. Has anyone else encountered this problem? How did you fix your Android phone keyboard not showing up? We understand you might be facing the same problems. Don't panic if your Android phone keyboard isn't showing up. To help, we'll explain why and how to fix the issue and get your device working again. Cause 1. Temporary system error. The solution is to restart your phone. When you find that your Android phone keyboard isn't showing up no matter what you try, the first thing to do is restart your phone. Restarting helps clear temporary system errors, free up resources, and restart your Android phone keyboard. This solution is simple. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off your Android phone, wait about a minute, and then turn it back on. Restarting your phone can help eliminate temporary glitches or potential problems. Finally, check again to see if the Android keyboard won't pop up issue is resolved. Cause 2. Keyboard app conflict. The solution is to use the default keyboard. If you have downloaded a third-party keyboard app on your Android phone, and the problem occurs with that app's keyboard, you can uninstall it to try and fix the keyboard not appearing on Android phone issue. You can also try contacting the app's developer to see if they have any solutions. If the problem persists, we recommend using your Android device's default keyboard. Cause 3. Keyboard app malfunction. The solution is to clear the keyboard cache and data. When using a keyboard app, it saves settings, data, and temporary files. These files accumulate over time. Excessive file accumulation can cause the keyboard not appearing on Android phone problem. Therefore, you can try clearing the keyboard cache and data. Open your phone settings, then find and select the Apps option. In the app list, find and select Keyboard. A force stop icon and text will appear in the lower right corner of the screen. Tap the icon and confirm. After completion, you can check again to see if the keyboard is working properly again. Cause 4. System malfunction. The solution is to check for software updates. When the Android system malfunctions, various problems can occur, including the issue of the Android phone keyboard not popping up. Usually, Android software developers have already identified and fixed the problem, so you can check for new software updates. If available, update immediately. You need to do this. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap the System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download it. After downloading the update, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will power off and then restart. Finally, check again to see if the can't access Android phone's keyboard problem persists. Cause 5. Unknown issue. The solution is to reset the device. If the keyboard still doesn't display correctly, you can also try resetting the device. Note that this will completely reset your device and erase all data. Therefore, be sure to back up your data before doing so. I believe resetting the device can fix an invisible keyboard on an Android phone. Next, please follow these steps to reset your Android device. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates, select Reset on the new screen, and finally select Reset Phone. After the reset is complete, your Android device may ask you to reactivate your phone. Please follow the prompts. Finally, the issue of the keyboard not working on your Android device is fixed, and the keyboard is working normally again. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helped you fix an Android phone keyboard not showing up, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.